Hey, it's Naneski, and here's a tutorial for Throne Room. Dream after dream, you are speaking to me. You go straight to the verse. So that was a little showcase of the introduction for you, and I'm going to play it and show it to you in detail. So the chords are D, B minor, A, and then you go to E. And you're going to be playing that in octaves, so meaning with, the lower E and the higher E. And then with your right hand, you're going to be playing, so D, E, B, B. And then again, for B, you're playing A with left hand and playing the same thing here. And you just stay on that B for your E chord. So again, D chord, B minor, A, and then an E. And then for the verse, you can start playing this. You can also play it higher. It's really quiet in the original, so when you play it lower, it seems to be quieter. So the notes for that are F sharp, A, B, and C sharp, played really quick. And you add those chords of the introduction in here, and that'll be the verse. So, dream after dream, you are B minor, speaking to me, breathing A, word after word of kingdom come. Trying to play it as quiet as I can. If you don't want to play these, you can do regular chords. Dream after dream, you are speaking to me, breathing word after word of kingdom come. Again, you have a D chords, just repeat. Then you have a B minor again. Truly a one look at you and I'm undone. And then here's the start of the chorus. You have a D. I run to the throne room. B minor. I run to the throne room and I fall. And then that's where the chorus starts. I want you to play really loud for the chorus just because it has high notes. Fall on my face with angels and saints, and all I can say is holy, 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 God. My heart can't contain the weight of your name, and all I can say is holy, holy, holy are you. Grace upon grace, all my fear falls away. Only your perfect love for me remains. Trying to play these really quietly. But yeah, verse 2 is same as verse 1. You can either play this or you could just play the chords. And then the chorus is also loud. And then after the chorus, you have this instrumental, and it consists of D, B minor, F sharp minor, and then an E. Again, D, B minor, F sharp minor, E. And then the bridge. I run to the throne room before you, the only one. I run to the throne room before you. So again, the bridge is very simple. You're just playing those four chords. And what you want to do is, if you want to build up, play more bass. So once you're playing and you want to get loud, just press more on the bass. And then you end it off the bridge with same little instrumental with the same chords. So the way you end the bridge is you play those 4 chords again one more time, and then you get right into the chorus. I fall on my face, so. Before you, I overcome. B minor. I fall on my face with the angels and saints, and all I can say is and you go straight into the chorus. After the chorus, there's a really beautiful outro, and you end it off with So essentially it consists of playing A, B, and then G minor. And while you're doing that, you're just playing a flowy style with the chords of D, B minor, F sharp minor, and E. Whoops. So the deeper the chords, the lower it sounds better. And you end it off with a D. Anyway, you want to end it off with it. They kind of end it off with a D. If you want to learn how to move your hand like this, it's such a beautiful style of playing. I have a lesson, it's called the flowy style play pattern. Just teaches you to move your hand like that. It's a really beautiful style to know, and you can apply it actually to any song. So that is the full song. I'm looking forward to showing you the entire song with my cover. Thanks for watching. Bye.